let's get started. We'll design our initial slide. We're going to insert 4 PNG images along with the title text. We'll arrange them neatly so everything looks clean and well aligned. Next, we'll add a round shape behind each image to create a stylish background. We'll then insert text for each image, place it in the center, and make sure everything is aligned perfectly. Now, let's move on to the second slide. This will be a detailed slide where we focus on each model individually. We'll enlarge the image and background, place the model's name and accompanying text right here, and make sure everything is formatted nicely. We'll create a slide for each model following the same approach. First, we'll focus on the first model, resizing the image and text. Then we'll move on to the second model, increasing the size of the image and text accordingly. For the third model, we'll do the same, resizing and reformatting the image and text. Finally, we'll focus on the fourth model, making sure everything is proportioned correctly. Once we've finished all the individual model slides, we'll create a final slide with a round shape in the center and a thank you note. And there you have it. We have a title slide, individual model slides, and a final thank you slide. To finish, we'll add morph transitions between all the slides. Now, let's see how it looks. You can see how each model smoothly transitions into the next, ending with our thank you slide. It's a beautifully transformed presentation that I hope will work well for your next project. Thank you for watching.